So if you're moving out of state or internationally, then your moving arrangements might get slightly more complicated than the things that we've talked about. You are probably going to have additional moving arrangements in terms of your travel to make. So you might have to be booking flights and making arrangements to be able to pick up a truck locally and drop it off in your new place. So those are some additional things that you might need to think about. You also want to make sure that you're planning ahead and that your move is going to be, kind of as stressless and as easy as possible. So you're going to want to do things like take your clothes to the dry cleaners at your new apartment. At your old place, and your bedding and that kind of thing. If everything can be clean before you move, then when you get to your new place, which is out of state, and you might not, have as you might not know where your new dry cleaners is, that kind of thing. Then you can, then everything will be clean. Additionally, you want to make sure that you have all your prescriptions filled, because that's something that might take a little bit of time to set up at your new place. And make sure that you have plenty of traveler's checks or cash on hand, because your bank account's going to take a little bit of time to set up at your new place. So you want to think about things like that. And again, make sure you keep your receipts, because those can help you out at tax time.